Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 10 geography, that is resources and development. So today the topic that we are going to study here is the soil classification in India. We have already done this topic, soil classification, in one of the previous lecture there. Okay, so we won't be covering those again here. Okay, so we are just classifying the soil in case of the India. Okay, so in case of India we can classify the soil under different heads. Okay, so the first type of soil that we just can find in India is the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. Okay, this is the first type of soil which we find in India, that is the alluvial soil. And like now let me tell you the characteristic or the quality of the alluvial soil. It is very good for the agricultural practice. This one soil especially very good for the agricultural practice, and it again can be classified under two heads. So first one type of the alluvial soil is the Bangar soil, that is Bangar, Bangar soil, and second one would be the Khadar soil. Okay, so we can classify the alluvial soil under two heads here, because we have two varieties of the alluvial soil, you can see Bangar and the Khadar. Bangar is the old one soil which would be having some conquer nodules. Okay, like or some calcium nodules, so it is the Bangar soil. And the Khadar soil is very fine. It means it does not contain the conquer like. Okay, it is very fine and it is most fertile. This Khadar one soil, it's most fertile. So Khadar variety of the alluvial soil is most fertile one, fertile in nature. Okay, so this is how we can classify the alluvial soil under two heads here. Okay, now let me tell you one more quality of the alluvial soil here, and it is alluvial soil is rich in potash, or you can say this phosphoric acid and the lime. This alluvial soil is very rich in the minerals of potash, or you can say phosphoric acid, or the lime. So these are just present in more amount there in the alluvial soil, and these three are very good for the agriculture practice. So due to the presence of all these three, this alluvial soil is very fertile. Okay, this alluvial soil is very fertile, and it is good for good for the crop of wheat, paddy, and the sugarcane. Okay, you can grow this sugarcane, wheat, and paddy in more amount in the alluvial soil. If the alluvial soil is there, so the production of the wheat, paddy, or the sugarcane would become more. Are you getting this? So this is the main quality of the alluvial soil, because it is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and the lime. Okay, now one more thing, let me tell you. The alluvial soil is intensively cultivated in India. You would find the region where the alluvial soil is there, such regions are densely populated. Why this so? The alluvial soil which you find means mainly in the northern part of India. You find the alluvial soil, you would find there in the northern part of India. So you would see there such regions are densely populated. More population would be there. Why? Because more population is engaged in the agricultural activities, and the alluvial soil is good for the agricultural practice. So that is why such regions are densely populated here. Okay, the regions which have the alluvial soil there, so such regions are densely populated. More population is there. Why? Because more population is engaged in the agricultural activities there. Okay, so that is the reason for the region which is having alluvial soil are densely populated. Okay, what is the reason? Because the population is engaged in the agricultural practice, and alluvial soil is good for that. So that is why they are settled here. Are you getting this? Very good. And you can find this alluvial soil mostly in the northern part of, or the northern regions of India. Okay, and such regions where we are finding the alluvial soil are known as we have different names for them. We have Dors, Duars. We have Chao, Chao. We have Tarai region. So these regions are known as which have the alluvial soil there. So such regions are known as Dors, Chao, or Tarai. So Tarai region means the region where we have the alluvial soil. Chao, or the Dors region. Are you getting this? So and if you see, it is widespread in the northern part of India mainly. Okay, let me write this off. So this is what you have to write in your notebook about the alluvial soil. It is good for agriculture, This soil is further classified into two heads, that is Bangar and the Khadar. Bangar is the old soil. Okay, Bangar is the old soil. It is old. Bangar is the old soil which has Kankan nodules or the calcium nodules, you can see. Okay, and second variety of the alluvial soil is the Khadar soil, which is new and which is very fine in nature and very fertile also. Okay, and alluvial soil is rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime, and due to this reason that it is good for the growth of wheat, paddy and the sugarcane. Okay, third one means the next point is the region in India having alluvial soil is densely populated. Why? Because alluvial soil is good for the agricultural practice, and most of the population in India have the occupation of means agriculture there. Okay, so that is why such regions are densely populated in India. And one more point about the alluvial soil is the alluvial soil is most widespread in northern region or the northern part, you can say, of India. Okay, and such regions are also known as Dors, Chao or the Tarai regions. Okay, so that is all for today. Would be discussing about the new types of soil in India in the lectures ahead. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.